Hello friends, once again welcome back to our channel. This video covers the complete steps with rules and how to check whether you are eligible for SBI loan restructuring. So as you know, there is a latest news. SBI has started or introduced a loan restructuring for whoever affected their job or income during the COVID-19. So as you can see on the screen, if you have an SBI loan and if you have any COVID-19 related stress on your income, you can apply for SBI loan restructuring or moratorium second phase. Already there was a first phase for the same. So we will explain the complete steps with rules and how to check whether you are eligible for loan, SBI loan restructuring. Also we will show you how to check your eligibility online and how to generate, how to proceed with the things if you are found eligible online. So let us start with highlights. So what are the highlights of this thing? During this phase of moratorium, you don't need to pay EMI on the loan. That is the highlight. And this is applicable for your home loan, vehicle loan, personal loan and other forms of loan from SBI Bank. Moratorium of up to a maximum 2 years can be allowed or applied. Addition to earlier granted first phase of moratorium. Even if you have already granted a moratorium from SBI, this is applicable for you. And what is the third point? Rescheduling of installments and extension of tenure equivalent to moratorium granted period. Okay, so restructuring of your installment will be done and extension will be done. For example, you are asking 2 years. The 2 years you will get moratorium or EMI exemption, and after that your period of loan will be increased by 2 years. You may apply for more than one loan account. That means you have a one vehicle loan, you have home loan. You can apply this moratorium or loan restructuring for both of your loan accounts. Next point is tenure of loan will be extended by the period of moratorium. We have already discussed. No processing fee, but once you need to visit the branch after completing the process online. So this is also a catch here. There is no processing fee and it is completely free of cost, but once you are approved, you have to visit your bank with the papers asked for. Okay, to get eligible you should meet all below conditions. So let us quickly see the eligibility, whether you are eligible for loan restructuring or this kind of second phase of moratorium. Your salary or income in August 2020 has got reduced compared to February 2020. This is the first point. So you should have no income or your income should be reduced in August 2020 compared to February 2020. Next point is reduction or suspension in salary during lockdown period happened already. It's not a forecast. That means you have already suffered from your job loss or salary reduction in this lockdown period, and you cannot forecast. You cannot say next month I am losing something, but till now what happened is the matter. Job loss or closure of business happened already. Okay, so this is all forms of your income loss are covered, whether if you are a salaried person or you have your own business, both are covered here. Reduced activity of units, shops or business establishment. That means you have already some business establishment and your activity is reduced compared to previous period of February 2020, and you have to show that how much. I'll show you what are the things to be entered online from the SBI website. Your loan should have been started before March 1st 2020. That means the loan you are going to apply for moratorium or restructuring, the loan should be in papers before March 1st of 2020. Okay, if you have taken the loan, if you it's not taken or not taken, it is on the papers. Your loan is recorded with bank before 1st March, then only you are eligible. Now you should not have any defaulted your loan for more than 30 days as on March 1st. I think you understood. You should not have skipped any of your EMIs. You should not have any defaultment on your loan for applying this. Last date of application is 24th 12 2020. December 24th is the last date for applying this. So if you are found eligible, what? If you are found eligible, you will receive a reference number online and this reference number will be valid for 30 days, and within which time customer has to visit the branch to complete the required formalities. If you are not visiting within 30 days with your papers and reference number, this application online will get elapsed. Now the restructuring process will complete after verification of documents and execution of documents at the branch or CPC. So now let us start applying online for SBI loan restructuring. I'm going to take you on the online process here, step by step. Okay, for that, after watching the video, if you like, please give us a like to this video. Also, please subscribe to our channel, friends. So let us start it. So for start with, you have to know two things. Okay, one is the website, and one is the website to know your loan account, and other is how to apply it online. So if you already know the loan account, no, there is no problem, you can note it down. So first I will take 1-2 minutes. Whoever doesn't know their loan account properly, how to get the loan account before applying. So for this, you just open a Google search page and search for online SBI. As you can see on the screen, this is the string, and click on the first link, onlinesbi.com. This will take you to your bank account of net banking, and in this you have to you are supposed to click on the login under personal banking. As you can see here, click on the login button and again continue login, and after that you are supposed to enter your credentials, username, password for your net banking. In fact, okay, so this is net banking credentials. I have entered my username and password, and below I am supposed to enter the captcha here, in this case 3WMBE, and click on the login button here. So this will take you to your personal account, where you can, as you can see here, first transaction accounts will be shown. Scroll down the screen and you go to the loan account details. So this is the section where you can find the loan account number. As you can see here in this example, you have two loan accounts. So one loan is say home loan account, for example, it can be an education or home loan, and second loan, just imagine it's kind of a vehicle loan. So this person has two loans, auto loan or vehicle loan. So what you have to do is just note down the account number here, or write down, okay, or copy, to which you are going to apply for the SBI moratorium or SBI loan restructuring. This is the account number. For example, I am noting down this account number, and I come back here, log out. Please remember to log out each time you log into your NEFT banking. Come back to the Google search page again. Now this time search for sbi.co.in. This is the website which will enable you to apply for the SBI loan restructuring. Click on sbi.co.in. You might get an error like this. I just wanted to show you. Just retry it, or try after some time if it didn't work, or sometimes if you refresh it will work. The page is loaded, sbi.co.in. Please scroll down here. As you can see, there is a lot of screens here. You can see here there are tabs, so each tab is a screen. So we are interested in the second tab here. Click on this second tab, blue icon, blue line here, second line icon, and then you check your eligibility now for SBI restructuring. So this is the option. It keeps changing, don't worry. Just you click on the second tab and select that option, check your eligibility now. Here you are supposed to enter the loan account number, which previously we had captured from the bank account details. This is the loan account. If it is home loan or auto loan, you have to give the account number here and click on generate OTP button here. So I just entered my loan account number and I'm clicking on the generate OTP button. This will send an OTP to the mobile which is linked against this loan. So as you can see, we are waiting for the OTP, and OTP is received, and it clearly says SBI loan restructure eligibility calculator OTP. Please note down 832907 is this case, and enter it and click on validate OTP button. So once you click on the validate OTP, there are some terms and conditions. Please read through it properly. This already we have discussed this. The same thing will be there. Click on the accept button and proceed. Now you are into the right page where your loan account number will be defaultly taken. You have to enter your net monthly income till February 20, and current and expected after the moratorium. This is expected one, and total EMI of other banks, like other banks or other loans. Okay, enter all these things, and after that you are supposed to click on the check eligibility button. So let us take an example how to fill this. Okay, for example, this person had a salary of 30,000 per month before or till February 20th, before COVID problems and stuff, and now it is just 2,000. So I entered 2000 and expected again 30,000 back. Means after problems are resolved, things are back, you are expecting your salary back 30,000. And total EMI, he has other EMI, say vehicle EMI of 10,000. So that also you have to enter. If you have multiple, you calculate or club all the EMI amount together and write it here. So these are the things you have to fill in. You got it. I hope I don't need to explain again and wasting the time. So this is the old EMI, old salary or income you were receiving, and this is your current income because of COVID, and it should be less than the previous old one. And this is your loan. I mean, what are the other loans? It's not including the current loan. Other than this, what are the loans combined? And there is a requested moratorium period. This is what you have to select, and you can keep this yes here. And I filled in the example requested moratorium. I'm asking moratorium for 1 year. So that's what 12 months I have given. You can even ask 2 years, which is the maximum period. I just asked here 1 year, and maximum is 2 years. After entering all these details, click on the check eligibility button. So friends, when you click on the check eligibility, you get the message like this. Sometimes it says please retry after reducing a moratorium period. I have seen errors like this. If nothing works, you can contact the bank. Otherwise, as you can see below, it will show you the response on EMI, you are not eligible. A response on LTV ratio, you are eligible. So this is how you can check your eligibility, and if both are eligible, you get an SMS. As you can see on the screen, you get an SMS reference number if you are eligible. And then after that, you can take that number along with your asked proof or documents and visit your CPC branch and get it enabled. Thank you very much for watching. Please give us a like to this video. Also, please subscribe to our channel, friends. See you with another video. Thank you very much.